Hi all, Matt from Style Factory here. Today I'm going to be looking at Shopify Plus versus Shopify. Stay tuned to discover which of these versions of this popular e-commerce platform is the better fit for you. But just before I begin, a quick reminder to leave any questions you may have in the comments section. We read them all and we'll do our best to help. And if you want to try out Shopify or Shopify Plus, do make use of the link in the description. This gives you access to a free trial and a special discount. Okay, let's get to it. I'll start with a key question. Are Shopify Plus and Shopify actually different platforms? The short answer here is no. They are built on the same technology, use the same Shopify themes, provide the exact same interface, and have the same core functionality. The difference between the two solutions simply boils down to the enterprise-grade features that are unlocked when you use the Shopify Plus plan and pricing. Let's look at the enterprise features first. What's included with Shopify Plus but not with regular Shopify plans? 1. A Merchant Success Program. When you take out a Shopify Plus plan, a Merchant Success Program is provided to help you with your ongoing e-commerce strategy. And as part of this, a launch team is on hand to help you get your store live faster by assisting with migrations and custom integrations. Shopify claims that this service can get enterprise users up and running on the platform within 90 days. 2. More stores. While a regular Shopify account can only be used to build one store, a Shopify Plus subscription gives you the option to create up to 10. These extra stores can be used to create more selling opportunities, for internationalization purposes, or to cater for stores with different physical locations. Importantly, Shopify Plus lets you manage all these additional stores in the same Shopify dashboard via an organization admin tool. 3. A fully customizable checkout. Unlike the regular versions of Shopify, Shopify Plus gives you the ability to fully customize your checkout process. It does this by giving you full access to Shopify's drag-and-drop checkout editor. This lets you change your checkout's colors, images, and fonts, or add additional functionality by installing checkout apps from the Shopify App Store. Given how big a role the checkout process can play in converting site visitors into customers, this is arguably one of the most important differences between Shopify Plus and Shopify. 4. Advanced apps. Although the normal version of Shopify gives you access to a considerable number of apps and integrations, around 8,000, Shopify Plus gives you a further range of apps to choose from. These provide advanced features for creating digital marketing campaigns, analytics, fulfillment, content management, shipping, and customer rewards. Examples of these apps include the Shopify QL Notebooks app, which gives you advanced reporting features, and Launchpad, a tool for planning and automating flash sales. 5. More API calls. With the Shopify Plus plan, you can use the Shopify API, or Application Programming Interface, in more ways. An API is a piece of software that basically allows two applications to talk to each other. On Shopify Plus plans, you can call it more often and use it to build more sophisticated integrations with other tools. 6. Unlimited users. While the regular Shopify plans cap the number of users that can access your Shopify store's backend, Shopify Plus gives you unlimited staff accounts. This makes the platform more useful to larger organizations and more scalable too. Additionally, on Shopify Plus, you get permission settings that give you more control over the actions your staff can take in your Shopify store's backend. 7. More point-of-sale locations. If you want to sell not just online but in physical locations too, you may be frustrated that the regular Shopify plans only let you sell in one point-of-sale location. Selling in any more than that involves paying fairly substantial add-on fees. But with Shopify Plus, you can sell in up to 20 physical locations at no extra cost. 8. Sandbox Stores. Shopify Plus lets Shopify Plus partners create test sites called Sandbox Stores. These can be used to learn how to build on Shopify Plus or to create demos for prospective clients. Sandbox Stores let you make an unlimited number of dummy purchases through a bogus gateway payment provider and process an unlimited number of test orders. They also provide a good way to try out apps because you can add any Shopify app to a Sandbox store for free. Okay, so that's 8 key features that you'll find in Shopify Plus, but not in Shopify. But how much does all this extra functionality cost? I'll come to that in just a moment, but first I'd like to encourage you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell. This supports our work and gives you easy access to all our Shopify content. Right, let's talk about pricing, a fundamental difference between Shopify Plus and Shopify. When it comes to the standard Shopify plans, there are 4 of these available, ranging from $5 to $399 per month. With Shopify Plus, 2 pricing options are available: standard pricing, which is $2,000 per month, or variable fee pricing. Variable fee pricing is a negotiable percentage of monthly sales, with this percentage depending on your requirements and the complexity of your e-commerce setup. The key thing to note about pricing is that Shopify Plus is not cheap, so you'll have to be very sure that you really need its feature set before choosing it as your e-commerce solution. This brings us neatly on to the big question: should I use Shopify or Shopify Plus? Well, every e-commerce project is different, so frankly, there isn't an easy answer to this question. However, I generally view Shopify Plus as being a good option if you need to operate multiple Shopify stores from the same account, want absolute control over the checkout process, have a large number of physical stores that you need POS features for, have advanced API requirements, or have a large team that needs access to a lot of Shopify stores. Otherwise, the regular version of Shopify will usually suit you fine. I hope you've enjoyed this Shopify Plus versus Shopify comparison. A quick reminder that you can avail of a special trial and discount for Shopify via the link in the description. And we'd love you to take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Finally, if you have any thoughts of your own about Shopify Plus versus Shopify, or any questions you'd like to ask about either version of the platform, do drop them in the comments.